Ooh, I can smell the lemon zest. Progresso Creamy Clam Sauce Linguine. Let's take a bite. I can smell the lemon zest. This is gonna be messy. Here we go. I'm not gonna make it. That's very good. Oh, I love the toasted panko crumbs. I might have made them a little dark, but I'm okay with that. Let's try another. Needs more bread. It needs more Parmesan. Where's a spoon? They don't use a spoon in Italy, do they? Hey, where the hell is a big spoon? How come I never have anything when I need it? Let's try again. That's better. Arrivederci. That's really good. That's really good. Here's the story with the clam sauce. I think I've only had it twice in my whole life. I can't remember the last time I bought Progresso clam sauce. About 2 weeks ago, I saw the can of Progresso clam sauce. I thought, I have to get it. I wasn't even thinking about making a video. When I Googled it, I found the recipe for Progresso. It's on, I'll put a link down below. It's on their website. Man, you have to have a big mouth, man. Going in. Oh, I'm very happy with this. I love the crunchy breadcrumbs. I love the lemon zest. Boy, I can taste it. A lot of ingredients, but once you get everything ready to go, it goes really quickly. Come on. This is our last bite. Thanks for joining me this Sunday. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah. This is very good.